It's the holidays, and let's face it, some of us do not have the money to get the expensive PC we want. This PC should be able to do 1080p gaming for only $357. This system has a GTX 1052GB, a Intel Pentium G4560, a MSI B350M motherboard, and a cheap rose gold case. Although it's a bit lacking in power, it should get the job done. Here are some benchmarks. As you can see from the benchmarks, this system's a really good bang for your buck. It is pretty good for gaming. For editing, not so much. Although, if you want a game at a cheap price, you can't go wrong with this system.